What's up, my magical gang? Oh my god, so like I told you guys in previous recent videos that Mama Magical has some things going on. Y'all's gonna be proud of her. I had a lot of surprises for you, and this is one of them. I am so excited about this package. As y'all can see, I'm so excited that I didn't already cut it open before I start the video because I was that excited. I had to slow myself down. Okay, so this is a beautiful company that I have partnered with by the name of Rose Forever. They are New York based. They launched their business in 2019 and they provide beautiful, luxurious roses that I want to make sure that I add that they use vegan material to even cover the boxes that they place the roses inside. Like, it's amazing. So I'm going to open this box because I cannot wait to, and I'm excited to show you guys what they offer. And it's, when I say they offer so much, they have so many different variety of choices and colors, special shaped boxes and materials. It's so amazing. And what I love the most is they use so many different natural products that they incorporate, down to the oils that they preserve the roses with. So let's open this up, guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Look at that. I haven't even opened the box all the way, and we can already see all that beautifulness. So give me 1 second while I make sure. Hold on, I got some little scissors right here. Let me get this open. So bear with me, y'all, because they, as you can see, they securely put this in the box. So just some, like I said, just some more quick facts about their company. Their roses, which is something totally unique that I've never heard of, last for years. They are natural first and foremost, and they last for years as if they're freshly picked. So come on now, how many of y'all have bought roses for your mother, a birthday present, a surprise for someone, and they lasted and they withered away in like 2 days, right? Not these. You could have these beautiful roses for years to come. That's what I'm excited about. Bear with me, guys, because they pack these so tight. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my god. Okay, let me set the box to the side. This is adorable. Oh my god. This is going to stay on my magical desk. Hold on, let me make sure you guys see this. You guys see this? This is the perfect gift for any occasion. This is so beautiful, guys. Do you see this crystal? So this is a crystal glass box. It's so beautiful. Like I said, once again, they last for years. I'm going to keep saying that because that is one of the most frustrating thing about flowers. You can only enjoy them for, especially roses. Something about roses, they just wither away. They're beautiful, but they wither away so fast. Like I said, once again, they have an enormous selection of different choices and colors, down to the boxes, the box shapes, the material. And they also use the roses are preserved when they are specially, because first of all, hold on. When I say they have black roses, you barely see black roses. They have all different color roses. And the thing that I love about them is that they're preserved. Their special color roses are created through a natural process of pigmentation, which keeps the roses rich and intense, like that real rich, intense shade. And it's also allergen free. So if you're like me, I break out so easily. I have allergies, I have asthma, I have all those things. So all that I have to consider. So this is perfect for someone who has sensitive skin and who is who supports animal cruelty free products. So that is a big thing. So I know that's important to a lot of people. So once again, guys, this company is Rose Forever. They were established in 2019. They are New York based. They have beautiful roses. Like I said, this particular box is their crystal box. And when I say it's beautiful, it is absolutely beautiful. Let me move it closer to the camera. I want you guys to like get a good look. Like, isn't this just gorgeous? Like, oh my God, I cannot wait to order more. So speaking of order more, I have another special surprise. I'm going to link some information down in the description box, which will be a direct link to their shop and to their thank you code. They have a coupon there for you guys, which is valid for 30 days. And guess what? If you use my special Magical25 discount, that's the discount code, Magical25, you get $25 off. I've never, and I'm not even exaggerating, I don't think I've ever had a discount code that gave me $25 off. Maybe 25%, but not $25. Y'all know Mama Magical she loves magical stuff. These roses are magical as hell. As you can see, it looks like something like out of a little princess movie or something. It's really gorgeous. So once again, guys, make sure you check down in my description box and click on this link and get you $25 off. Surprise somebody. Make someone feel special, even if you surprise yourself with that, because a lot of us don't buy things for ourselves. So show yourself some self-love. I'm always telling you guys that it's important to love yourself first. So even if you want to gift yourself, you know, make sure you go down and check that link out and use my discount code Magical25 for $25 off. I'm going to keep saying that. That's almost $30 off, y'all, on your first purchase, which will be made available to you at the checkout. So guys, make sure you let me know if you order these roses. Please send me some pictures. So I want to see how you where you put them at, you know, how you use them to decorate your beautiful home, especially like if you have a vanity dresser. Girl, guys, this is beautiful. Like I said, it looks better than what I thought it was going to be, honestly. It's gorgeous. So once again, I'm going to move it closely up to the camera so you can see how beautiful this is. Oh my God, look at this. Crystal clear. This is beautiful. And the fact that I will have this for years, oh my God, I'm so excited. It's the little things for me. Just beautiful. So once again, guys, just if you use my discount code Magical25, that is $25 off. From Rose Forever is the company, and they are amazing. Check their website out too. You will be overwhelmed with all the choices that they have to offer. So they have suede boxes, different color suede boxes. Like I said, it's all allergen and vegan free. So make sure you guys check them out. They're awesome. All right, gang. Use the magical code, Magical25. Now I'm going to go put my roses up and enjoy them because I'm excited, y'all. All right. Love you guys.